Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Bagh. Today we are going to learn the topic ordering number. In this topic students, today we are going to learn the descending order. In the previous lesson we have learned the ascending order. Now I'm going to explain you about the descending order. So student, descending means coming down. So I will explain with one digit numbers example. There are the four one digit numbers 7, 3, 5 and 9. So we have to arrange them in descending order. So students, we have to keep in our mind that in descending order हमें सबसे पहले जो है वो largest number लिखना होता है, then उससे smallest, then उससे smaller and end पे जो है वो हमें smallest number लिखना होता है. So let's see. As I told you, first we will take the largest number. अगर हम ये देखें कि इन सब नंबर्स में सबसे बड़ा नंबर कौन सा है, लार्ज नंबर कौन सा है, वो है 9. So we will place 9 first, then we will write 7, then 5 will come, and at the end the smallest number we will write, that is 3. So student, this is the one digit number example. Now I will explain you the two digit number example. There are the four two digit numbers in front of you. We have to arrange them in descending order in the same way. First we will take the largest number and we will write first 65 number, because 65 is the largest number in this number. Then 44 will come, then 33 will come, and the smallest number is 17 in this number, and it will place at the end of the order. So students, it is a very easy way to order the numbers in descending order. Now it's your home task. You have to arrange these number in descending order in your notebook, and you have to send me at my email ID, that is miaayan42@gmail.com. and if you have any problem regarding the lesson, so you can also contact me at miaayan42@gmail.com. Have a nice day.